back to our channel. I'm Tydus and I need to buy some Christmas presents. Guys, I only have like 10 days till like Christmas. Guys, I have a lot of Christmas shopping to do. I'm gonna buy presents for Mommy, Daddy, Tydus, and Jake, and Anthony, and Chad, and Arby, and Justin. Basically, I need a lot of presents! But guys, I want to get the best presents in the world. I want to get everyone toys this year. And the only way to give them the best toys is if I try the toys out myself. So let's go to Toys R Us. I mean Target. And let's get the best toys this year. Come on, let's go. Wait, I forgot my money. Oh, here it is. Careful. 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 Oh, I guess I got my money. Let's go. Oopsies. I just did it, Mama. Alright guys, here's the toy section. Wait, my money! Alright guys, we have to find the best toys this Christmas. Guys, I'm having trouble finding the right toys this year. I need to ask someone. Oh, someone. Tell me, sir, what are the best toys this year?
What kind of toys are you looking for?
The best toys.
You got good board games, you got good video games that you can play with your mom and dad.
Awesome, thank you, bye.
Bye.
Right, here's the board games. Here we go. Let me see. That one looks good. I can't reach it. Excuse me, sir, I can't reach the game.
Okay, you want to show me where it's at?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here it is.
Which one?
It was this guy.
This one?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
All right, guys, let's put it in the cart. All right, guys, Jake and Anthony like video games, so let's go to video games. Jackpot. Let me see. This? No. Ooh, Zelda. Wait, what? What the heck? I can't get it! I gotta go get someone. Excuse me, ma'am. Can you help me get a game out?
Sure.
Okay, so here it is.
Oh, Zelda. Okay.
And look.
That one? Okay.
Wait, I gotta get something for Wawa. JoJo stuff. But I love JoJo. She has it. She has it. Wait, what? A JoJo microphone concert? Awesome! Alright guys, I think this is good. Let's check out.
Barcode on the bottom.
Stocking stuffers.
All right, thank you. Let's get this all counted. There you go. Okay?
Bye, Merry Christmas. Bye. Alright guys, let's go home and try these toys out. Lily? Alright guys, let's play with these toys and make sure they're good presents. This is gonna be fun. Okay guys, the object of the game is try to eat these snacks before the song ends. I have gummies and marshmallows here. Let's get started. Well guys, that was a tough one, but super fun. Well guys, this one passes the test. I'm gonna pack it up and put it under the tree. Alright guys, are you ready to try out the next toy? Zelda, let's try it out. Alright, let's test this game out. Oh no, bad guys! This game is pretty lit. Shall we test out the last present? I should open it, make sure Mama likes it. Alright, let's do this.
Hey there, it's JoJo.
Okay.
I don't really care about what they say. I'ma come back like a boomerang.
Uh-oh.
Won't let the haters get their way.
Bye-bye. I want to do anything, Rabbi. Don't tell anyone you saw that. Okay. Look at this. You like it? It looks.
I don't really care about what they say.
Do you love it, Rabbi? Yeah. I'm gonna wrap it up and you will get it on Christmas. Okay. Well, guys, I hope you liked this toy review. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and I see you in a couple days.
Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Baby finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
Baby finger, where are you?
Here I am, how do you do?
We are just hanging out today in our hotel room. It's kind of a chill day for us, so I kind of wanted to show you guys what we do, how we chill in our hotel room, because we're on the road a lot of the times, because we're from Northern California, but we come down to Los Angeles, Southern California, all the time. So we usually get a hotel room, and I thought it'd be fun to show you guys what we do when we're just hanging out in the morning in our hotel room. And what are you doing, Mommy?
Playing my favorite game.
I actually already knew she was playing that because she's either texting or playing this game called Best Fiends. You guys, we want to thank Best Fiends for sponsoring this video. It is this super fun app, and if you don't know about it, let me show you. It is so fun. Best Fiends is a free puzzle adventure game where you collect and build a team of fiends to defeat slugs by matching same colored objects. This month, you can play the Winter Challenge to win massive prizes, including a new character. That game is so much fun, and another really cool thing about that game is you can play without Wi-Fi. Guys, download the game for free, and if you download now using our link below, you're gonna get $5 worth of gold and diamonds for free. And remember guys, it's Best Fiends. It's like best friends, but without the R. So it's Best Fiends. Let's go see what everyone else is doing. This is like a cozy morning for us, huh, buddy?
Yes, we're doing a challenge.
Wait, what?
We're doing a challenge.
A challenge?
Yes, food, dinner, challenge.
A food dinner challenge? You guys, I have no idea what he's talking about. Let's find out what he's talking about.
We're gonna do a challenge.
What kind of challenge?
We're gonna do a challenge.
How?
Dinner challenge.
How are we gonna do a dinner challenge?
I have to go on the phone, and I have to get food, and I did
Do you know what he's talking about?
Well, I know we said we wanted to order room service.
Is that what he's talking about?
I think he wants to turn it to a challenge.
Are you talking about room service?
Yes.
Oh, okay. That might be kind of fun. Do you want to order the room service?
Yes.
All right.
That would be funny.
Let's see if he can do it. Let's go order it.
Yes. Let's go. My, what do you want?
I think I want a breakfast burrito, buddy.
Oh, breakfast burrito?
I want
Wait.
cheeseburger.
Don't you need to write this down?
Yes.
Or are you going to remember it all?
I haven't write it down. Thanks.
Write it on down. So 1 breakfast burrito.
One breakfast burrito and one cheeseburger for me.
You want a cheeseburger?
Yes.
Buddy, it's like 9 in the morning. Don't you want like eggs?
And I want chocolate animal chocolate.
Chocolate animals?
Yes! Mama, what? Mama.
Right, what do you want? Did you get that?
Yes.
Okay, write that down.
She said, I love Coco.
Yeah.
Very Coco. What do you want, Daddy?
I will have eggs and...
Spicy?
Yeah, spicy.
Okay, hot sauce and macaroni.
Wait, I didn't order macaroni.
Ow!
But I'll take some macaroni too. And bacon and potatoes.
Okay. Bacon and potatoes.
Ooh, and what do you want to drink?
I want to drink orange juice.
Okay, write it down.
I want to drink orange juice.
Are you writing that whole sentence down?
Oh my, I got it.
Oh, let me see. Okay, looks good. Glad we wrote that down. All right, let's call.
Yes.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
All right.
Room service.
Hi, I can order?
Yeah, you want to put in an order?
Yes.
Okay, great. Yeah, let me know what you want.
I want orange juice and I want food.
Talk louder.
What was that?
I want the cheeseburger and I want orange juice.
Orange juice, okay. Anything else?
Let me look at my notes. Okay. For a minute.
Okay.
Yep. For a minute. For a minute. A breakfast burrito.
A breakfast burrito?
Yes.
Okay, would you like hot sauce with that?
Yes.
Okay.
Let me look at my notes. Eggs and bacon.
Okay, eggs and bacon. Any condiments with that? Ketchup?
Yeah, I love ketchup.
Okay.
Pasta.
What was that?
And pasta.
Pasta?
Yep.
Okay, just a plain pasta or cheese?
Cheese.
Okay.
Let's see. Oh, I will like T-I-S pasta. Chocolate! Chocolate!
Chocolate?
Yes.
I don't think we have any chocolate, like a chocolate bar.
Yes!
Okay, I might be able to find a chocolate bar.
Okay.
Okay, is that going to be it for you?
Yes.
Okay, great. That'll be about 45 minutes to an hour.
Thank you. Bye.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
See ya.
Good job, dude.
Thanks.
High five.
I ordered the food.
You did a great job.
Yes, I did.
Now we just wait.
1 hour later.
Buddy, what are you doing?
Nothing, I just coloring.
That looks awesome.
Yes, yes.
Who taught you how to color so good?
Mommy and Daddy. What's that?
What is that?
I don't know.
I think it's the food.
Yes.
All right, go get it. All right, did we get our room service, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
You happy? Yummy. You happy, Mommy?
Yeah.
Are you happy, Rai? She needs her nap.
Yeah. She needs a nap.
Well, this looks delicious. Good job ordering it.
Yeah, I did great job.
Yeah. Yes, you did. So what are we gonna do right now, Tydus?
We go to Disneyland with Dana, but only Tyler and Madison.
That's right. Well, what do you want to say to everyone?
Thanks for watching my video. Love you guys. I'll see you in a couple days.